everyone. Welcome to our virtual class grade 2 level. I hope you're doing well and ready to learn today. Before we begin, let us remember our three simple virtual rules. Number 1, join the class on time and be prepared. Number 2, keep your microphone muted unless you are asked to speak. And number 3, be respectful and participate actively during our discussion. So let us work together to make our virtual class fun, peaceful, and productive. Thank you for everyone and let us begin. So today our topic is all about addition. What do you mean by addition? Addition is about putting things together to find out how many have in total. Let's say you have one apples and your friends gives two apples, more apples. When you put those apples together, how many apples do you have in total? And how to add? Start with the first number. Let's say you have the number 1. Count up. If you're adding another number like 2, you count up from 1, 2, and 3. After counting up, you find that you reach the number 3, so 1 plus 2 equals 3. For example, I will give you an object here. 1 plus 2 apples is equal 3 apples. So your answer now is 3 apples. Another example, using the number line, start with the first number. Let's say you have the number 1. So move along. If you're adding another number like 2, you move along a number line from 1 to 2, then to 3. After moving along the number line, you find that you reach the number 3, so that 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So let us try. Let's practice. I have 2 apple here. 2 plus 2 is equals 4. Another example. You have 2 plus 1, that is 3. Good job. Very good. Another. You have 4 plus 4, that is 8. Very good. And then 1 plus 1, that is 2. Good job. Another example. You have 3 apples and 4 apples. How many apples in total? That is 7. Very good. Another example. 3 plus 3, that is 6. Good. And now another. You got 5 apples and 4 apples. You put this one together, the total is 9. Very good. Next, 3 plus 2. You put that one together, come up, the answer is 5. Very good. Another example, how about this one? 3 apples plus 0. Children, you still remember that 0 is nothing. So all you have to do is to copy the number or the given number. So the answer there is 3. Good job. Very good. So let's check for your understanding. So try to uh, try to analyze and answer this activity. I will flash in here and you're the one to answer it. Okay, here. That one. We have 1 apple plus 4 apple. What do you think is the answer? Very good. You get 5. Next, 2 plus 2. What do you think is the answer? The answer is 4. Good job. Next, another one. How about this one? 2 plus 4. What is the answer? Very good. 6. And another example. 2 plus 5 lemons. The answer is 7. Good job. Let's proceed to the watermelon. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Very good. The other, 4 plus 2, that is 6. Good job. Very good, learners. The number, how many bananas are there? That is 9. So remember, 0 means nothing. So all you have to do is to copy. So the answer now, that is 9. Very good. So let's proceed. This one, we have 3 plus 6. The answer is 9. Good job. So the other, 5 plus 5. Put that one together. The answer is 10. Good job, learners. You learned a lot today. Another, 6 plus 1. You put that one together. That is 7. Good job. How about this one, the eggplant? 3 plus 3, that is 6. Good job. How about the dragon fruits? Okay, 6 plus 2, that is 8. Very good. How about the mango? This is the last part of our uh, lesson. 4 plus 3, that is 7. Very good. Clap your hands, learners, because you learned a lot today. And I hopefully next meeting that we have, be participate and attentive so that you learn a lot. So keep learning. Thank you everyone and goodbye.